Take a ride in
the 2011
GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable
and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, remote trunk release, running boards. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.